This egg mistake nearly ruined my health for years. For 20 years, I ate eggs almost daily thinking I was making healthy choices. Then my nutritionist revealed something that completely changed how I prepared and consumed this superfood. The mistake was so common, yet so damaging to the very benefits I thought I was getting. Eggs contain some of the highest quality protein available in nature. One large egg provides 6 grams of complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce naturally. But how you prepare them determines whether you gain these benefits or lose them entirely. The shocking mistake involves cooking temperature and timing. High-heat cooking methods like frying or scrambling at maximum temperature destroys delicate nutrients and creates harmful compounds that your body struggles to process effectively. Here's what happens when you overheat eggs. Temperatures above 180 degrees Fahrenheit begin breaking down the protein structure, making amino acids less bioavailable for muscle building and cellular repair. The very nutrition you seek becomes compromised through improper preparation. Worse yet, high-temperature cooking oxidizes the cholesterol naturally present in egg yolks. Oxidized cholesterol becomes inflammatory in your cardiovascular system, potentially contributing to arterial plaque formation rather than supporting heart health. My morning routine changed dramatically after learning this information. Instead of scrambling eggs in a hot pan with oil, I began using gentle cooking methods that preserve nutritional integrity while still creating delicious, satisfying meals. Soft boiling became my preferred preparation method. Placing eggs in already boiling water for exactly 6 minutes creates perfectly cooked whites with creamy, nutrient-dense yolks. This gentle heat preserves the delicate omega-3 fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins. Poaching offers another excellent low-temperature option. Simmering water between 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit cooks eggs gently without the high heat that destroys sensitive nutrients. The result is silky texture with maximum nutritional benefit. The second critical mistake involves timing of consumption. Eating eggs with certain foods can block absorption of their most valuable nutrients, essentially wasting the health benefits you expect to receive from this nutritional powerhouse. Iron-rich foods like spinach or fortified cereals consumed simultaneously with eggs can interfere with protein absorption. The compounds in these foods bind with egg proteins, making them less available for your body's muscle building and repair processes. Calcium supplements taken with egg meals create similar problems. High calcium intake during egg consumption can reduce absorption of other minerals naturally present in eggs, including selenium and phosphorus that support immune function and bone health. My nutritionist recommended spacing these foods at least 2 hours apart from egg consumption. This simple timing adjustment dramatically improved how my body utilized egg nutrition for energy production and cellular repair throughout the day. Preparation surface matters more than most people realize. Non-stick pans often require high temperatures to prevent sticking, forcing you into the high-heat cooking that destroys egg nutrition. Cast iron or stainless steel allows lower temperature cooking with better results. Adding healthy fats during cooking enhances nutrient absorption significantly. A small amount of grass-fed butter or coconut oil provides the fat-soluble vitamin carriers that help your body absorb vitamins A, D, E, and naturally present in egg yolks. Storage mistakes compound cooking errors. Eggs stored at room temperature for extended periods develop bacterial growth that cooking cannot eliminate safely. Refrigeration below 40 degrees Fahrenheit maintains safety and preserves nutritional quality until consumption. Washing eggs before storage removes the natural protective coating that prevents bacterial penetration through the shell. Only wash eggs immediately before cooking to maintain their natural defense system against contamination. The freshness factor affects nutrition significantly. Eggs lose nutritional value over time, even when stored properly. Farm-fresh eggs contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins compared to store-bought eggs that may be weeks old. Organic pasture-raised eggs provide superior nutrition compared to conventional options. Hens that roam freely and eat varied diets produce eggs with 3 times more vitamin E, 7 times more beta-carotene, and significantly higher omega-3 content. Timing egg consumption around exercise maximizes protein utilization. Consuming eggs within 2 hours after resistance training provides amino acids when your muscles are most receptive to protein synthesis and repair processes.